Hi everyone, so another day and another Lego, and today we're building this cool Polaroid camera from the Ideas line. When I saw it, I had to have it and can't wait to build it, so let's do that now. Okay, so since this is from the Lego Ideas line, this is the guy that submitted the idea and this was his original design. So now we're gonna build his idea. So bag one. Okay, end of bag one, and this is what we have. This is like part of the camera, I guess the bottom piece, I'm not sure, but this moves here. So let's see. And this guy. Bag two. Okay, guys, so end of bag two, and this is what we have. Doesn't look like anything yet, but trust the process. So, okay, now on to bag three. Okay, end of bag three, and this is what we have. So it's starting to look like the camera. I have to say this is a little complex, so I guess you're supposed to be able to put the little picture in here, and then this little thing is supposed to, like, I don't know, move. Okay, last bag number four. Okay, and we are done. Here she is, and you can stick the little picture right in there. So cute.